Listen, and let's show you how to pay the bubble. Firstly, put the bubble on the socket and turn the bubble on. You can see the power is no problem, and then you turn it off by switch and wait 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and turn it on again. Press the button on group 1, and you can see the bubble will twinkle 3 times and it's matte. Let's check how it looks. Press the button to change the color temperature and the brightness. Of course, you can turn it off by the controller and turn it on again. Of course, you can control the bubble by press the full off and one button.